All right, so here's a container with a lid, and we put in about 1.5 inches thick of HP Pro Mix. On the side, we put in a hole, and this hole will actually serve as the entry point for the thermostat to go in. Now, we microwave this. You don't have to. I typically like to do it to keep things sterile a little bit, kill any remnants of whatever riffraff that may be living in here. Now that we got that, we're gonna go ahead and take some water, and the water is very subjective. Like, I'm using about this much. We're gonna mix it in. We don't have to necessarily use all of it. We'll just pour it in. It's gonna become a little mushy. Of course, we didn't put all of it in. You know, that's something we have to play with. You mix it around, play with it a little bit, make it all nice and wet, and then see how it goes. So obviously it's not as wet as we want it to, so we'll go ahead and add some more in here. And that looks sufficient enough. It should actually absorb in evenly. And of course, once condensation in the process of cooking takes place, everything will get even out anyway. So that's the setup, and we go ahead and level it off. After this, we go over here, we take some cuttings. So here's some cuttings over here, and this is the secret ingredient. This is the elixir of the blood mongoose. We're gonna put it over here. We're gonna take the cuttings, give it a swirl, take it out, and then put it in there. Same thing for all of these. We're gonna take them, swirl, put them in. Put that in here. This is the big boy. Put it in there. I'm going to take this one, give it a swirl, put it in here. Now that we got all that done, let's move it up a little bit. And here we have the thermostat. We're going to feed it through the opening. And where's the opening? There it is. Pull the thermostat in nice and deep. Put it in here. And after that, we could take a little piece of this tape that I was using earlier. We could use it again, reuse it. It's painter's tape. It's not messy. It does the job. It keeps the moisture locked in. And after that, we go ahead and plug the thermostat in. And then we go ahead and set the thermostat up to 80 degrees. And off it goes. We go ahead, where's the lid? There it is. Put the lid back on. Head over here. Put it on the heating mat and let it cook away. And in a few, you should see like moisture condensation forming up and down. It's going to start recirculating, and we keep an eye on it for every few days, see how things are going. But that's it.